Wagwan people, it's your girl Stacy Bless, and you don't know from your sim right as I sit down, you don't know what I come with. I come for another unboxing of the night, yeah. Yes, it's the Friday night, yeah. Yes, man, I have another unboxing to do right here, so. Yeah, we're going to do another unboxing before I go to my bed. Yeah, I delivered yesterday, but I came in from work late. I did not get to do the unboxing yesterday, so I'm doing it tonight before I go to bed. Yeah, in the house, at me have to turn off the fan because I don't want the fan to make a noise in the house. So, you know my video? Because right now, I sweat like wow, but I can't turn on the fan. Alright? Cheap and clean. Cheap and clean. I say cheap and clean. Team you? Yeah, over there, so you shop like a millionaire. Yeah, or a billionaire. Yeah, if it's cheap, 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 cheap. So we are going down tonight now. We are going to open with Timo package. Timo, one time when I used to use an orange bag, I having like on a logo and thing. Nowadays, I not come with them type of bag, yeah. Like when I purchase from other company, I not see the orange and white bag again. I not see that. I don't know why. Alright. We're going to see how this I go. Remember me telling you I'm buy the hat to match this thing here. I don't know if it can fit me in it. It looks small to me. It's a nice little sneakers, but it looks small to me. Maybe I have to send it back and buy a bigger size. Oh, yeah, say. It looks small to me. See it here? It looks small to me. Yeah, I have a bag and the hat to match it. To match it, so. But this looks small, people. Mommy, nobody fall asleep, Petra. I just lie down and fall asleep. No fall asleep till me done do the video. Because you got to snore in that video right now, please. Because you just there, so sit down and watch me unbox and you go. As you touch your bed, you're going to fall asleep. You're tired. I try on these people. Wait. No, this not going to work. I have to go send it back. And I tell you now, I take, you know.
Let me see it.
I have to go send it back. I have to go send it back to Team You. 10 and a half, me take. I have to go send it back to them.
No, we can take it. This shows first.
This is how again. How are this when they buy again? I don't remember. How are this? Something you order from something you remember unless you go look for your order again. Oh, I must say the glasses this. Yeah, same thing, the glasses. Yeah, I purchased these glasses. Yeah. It's nice little shades. Sure.
Everything you put on will fit you.
Yeah, you see that shades there? It have a buzz. You saw the shades look? Yeah. Green and gold. Yeah. August I come up in there. Remember me a Jamaican? Yeah. And Jamaica Independent I come up August 6. Yeah. So I make sure grab my glasses. Cause you don't know, I have to put on me have to put on my color. I have to put on my color. I can't tell you I have to put on it. I have to put it on. So this is my glasses that I purchased from Team You. Nice little glasses, sunshades, and thing. Yeah. I don't know to send it back if I have to come, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Wouldn't bother send back the sneakers. Are cheap and clean, as I say. I'm going to have time.
Yeah, so put on this now.
No, but remember you put on something. If you take it, you have to pay for it. So I tell you, nobody take it. Nobody take it. But you make me leave it to give it away for free. But if you if you should take it, you gotta pay for it. What you have to match with that now, your type of clothes them is not for that type of sneakers. What you have to wear with that? Remember you not dress wherever is not black. So them I
So
mean
everything for black?
them that certain your clothes them cannot go with it. It's pretty clothes you wear and jean skirt. That now gonna look good with that. You see the color? Now gonna look good. Where I gotta work?
When me uniform?
I'm about them here too, guys.
Where we gotta work?
Look a t-shirt here. Yeah, I bought these to my son.
I have them with tights.
Yeah, see that? Yeah, I bought them for my son.
Tights.
Yes, he can't wear them. You understand? Yeah. Cheap and clean. Cheap. A summer now, so I want to look a t-shirt. I purchased 3 of them. 3 different color. This is a white one. Very cheap. Very cheap. So I buy a navy blue, a white, and a black. Very cheap. Cheap. Tell me what the size is. No, this one is mine. This is mine. This one is my home. Yeah, this is mine. Yeah. That's mine. Hold on, man. Hold on. Yeah, I forgot to check back. I tried them and I buy a black and white one, a white. The black and white would have been my own. I not to say the size in this. It's supposed to be an XL. XL, this is mine. XL. So this is not my son one because I bought 2X for him. So this is mine. So I go have to check back the order to see if I did only purchase 2 for him. I'm gonna buy this to my mother for her 4th of July light spear. I know 4th of July is around the corner. Yes, so it's a 4th of July t-shirt. I have my one from last year. I buy it from Temu. I don't need to get a new one. Okay, I still have my own. See 4th of July t-shirt there? I still have mine, so I don't need to buy no more. Yeah, I don't need to buy no more. There's some nice little top. And then now, you know, nice. So I would say Jamaica independence coming up. Right? Yes, what I'm saying? It's coming up. Yeah. Sit there. And you know the girl I got on her glasses, you know, the glasses is like this here, you know. Yeah, green and yellow. Yes, this is my, yeah. Proud Jamaican. I am a proud Jamaican. Proud Jamaican. Yeah, Timo man. Temu. I like it. Alright, so that's it. That is that. With the sneakers now. With the sneakers now. I bought 2 blouses, you know, so I go match down with the outfit, you know. With the something, you know. I bought them 2 blouses and said, okay, this can go with the sneakers. Right? I may have a pocket, a little bag for match it, a little purse. And thing I may have the cap for match up. So I said, this are the color, right? Khaki looking color and everything. I look there. The shoes, the sneakers can't fit. It's too small. You know, with a nice little white shorts or a nice white pants. We don't have my plan. We don't have my plan how I want it for wear.
So take 11.
I wouldn't know if it will fit or not fit. So I just choose 10.5. Oh, come and know some buy another. I know I buy another t-shirt for my son. See it yourself. I know. See it, yeah? You know, say I try them I bought. I know. I know that. 3 different colors. And see the other one, I come say, you know, I can pick, you know, and choose. This is the other one now I bought for the for wear with the sneakers, and then little sneakers come and disappoint me, you know. The little sneakers come and disappoint me, me say. Me feel disappointed. You understand? Come here, say if me I go to New York City, you know. Come I plan for go to New York, you know. And I say yes. This is a good outfit for me. Either me I get a nice like, white shorts or me I go wear my white pants. Let me say, you know. Come on, go over New York, over Long Island, go braid my ear. Like spear. And look here. What me know me I go do. Me I go look a nice slippers. With either a brown one or a khaki looking one. Me I go over Macy's go look. Alright people. So I eat that, you know. I eat that, people. I eat that for the unboxing until another time again. Yeah. If and when I buy anything, I will come back. Me bend in a man. Me bend. Because I say, me have my plan for my things. And look what this look at cheap sneakers come and can't fit me. Look there. Look at this. Me begs. Because your girl don't have her plan, you know. Me begs. Why? So I have a nice little purse to go with it, you know. And then this come and work for me. And my cap. I have my cap that full year and thing. Because I see me I go over there with my ears. So I put on the cap. Everything match up. And then I'm going to braid my ear and things. So I would need the cap when I come back. Look at this. Alright people, no go and bless upon yourself here, man. It's your girl Stacey Blessing now. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. People, me need true supporters. Me not just want people to just follow me. Me need some support. You understand? Me need some support. Me need supporters. Because you can't have followers, you know, but you need genuine people who will support you. You don't just want to have peer follower on your page, on your platform. You need people for support. Show them support by watching the video, them watch it, ads them and thing. Remember, you know, I want if you can get a look check from YouTube too, you know. I know somebody pick it too. If I reach $100, I can't get a payout in the people. And you have to help me. Without you help me, it can't happen. You help out the sister, man. I want to make it look so. Help me out, man. Help me out. Watch the video, them, man. Watch the ads them on the video, them, man. One cocoa full basket. You understand? So I'm going to leave it right there. So no go and bless upon yourself, you know. Yeah, this is your girl t-shirt. A nice little leggings or something with this. Yeah. Alright, bless upon yourself. Alright, I see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.